The burner, the pots, the lid, cloth, the handle, ground protection, lighter.
Yeah, and it's on.
Yep.
Good. Just like that. There you go.
Yep.
Is that it? Good?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, you want me to pour or you want to pour?
You.
I can do that. Okay. All right, so you want to close these ones up? Close them up.
Okej, vad ska jag göra?
Stäng dem.
De här?
Ja, de ska göra stäng.
Jag är inte riktigt bäst på engelska.
Det är du visst det.
Nej. Sorry about that.
And now you have to count to 8 minutes. Considering the fact that this was Albert's first time using this, I thought it was pretty simple and pretty, just straightforward. I'm pretty confident you can have from 0 to like this in 4 or 5 minutes if you know what you're doing. You just unpack it and you have your routine in. So it goes pretty quick to boil the water and do everything, which I really appreciate if you're on a hike and you don't want to spend time fiddling around a lot with the food and you just want to keep going. So the plan for us is, as you can tell, this is a little bit bigger stove. This is for 2 or 3 people. So we're going to use that on a little adventure that we're going to do this summer. Let you guys know more about that later. I just boiled some eggs and I'm trying to see how warm this thing is, and I mean it's warm but I can still touch it with my hand, and I'm trying to touch the ground here, see if it leave any burn marks. Nothing, everything's good. I really like that, so you can use it on, even if it's warmer outside, you don't burn anything and you don't start a forest fire, which is always a good thing. You got the handle, everything is rubberized here so you don't damage the pot. But once you got it locked like this is a perfect grip. Nothing weird, everything goes. Just really nice and sturdy, even if it's filled with water. Now it's obviously empty, but yeah, I'm sure you get what I mean. Then when you want to unlock it, press it in, hold it, and let go. Super easy to use. One thing that's really nice to see, you see the little small rubberized feet here. Really nice, so it won't slide on tables or any surfaces like that, so it's pretty cool to see. This one is not included, but I really like this one. I've always wanted to be able to do just put it like that and boil some afternoon coffee, so that's what I'm gonna do. So a couple of things that I like about this stove set here, it's very stable, nothing's gonna fall over. Even if it was just boiling water here and everything was pretty warm, it still cooled down pretty quick. Of course it's a little bit cold out now as well, but you can still grab it and so you can pack it away if you just want to stop for a quick meal. Also like that you have this one where you can boil water pretty fast as well. So it says that it could boil water in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That's for 1 liter, so I think that's pretty good. That means you can be up and running again pretty fast if you don't want to spend a lot of time cooking or just boiling water. Also like if you do want to spend more time, you can have the second pot as well, so you can make a bigger, nicer meal if you want to do that, or if you want to, really take the time and enjoy yourself. You can make a full meal if you bring all the ingredients, of course, as well. So I really appreciate that. As you saw yesterday, Albert used it for the first time, and yeah, I think he just nailed it. He's of course not used to using kitchens like this or stoves like this, but he just followed my directions and he could do it without any ado. So that was pretty nice to see. And it also goes to show that if you're out and you're like doing a lot of things at the same time, you need to be focused about things falling over, or how does everything work, or if anything should happen with the kitchen. Kind of just sorts itself out. And you can even teach your kids how to use them, because yeah, a lot of parents I see, they're afraid of using gas stoves, And in some cases, yes, you should be considerate about it, but I think this is a good way to just start it out. And yeah, if your kids can take somewhat directions, you will be safe. To your help, something I think is a big difference is the Piezo igniter. Because yeah, the kids could be a little bit scared when they turn on the flame if the Piezo igniter is inside or connected to here. But you got this one on the side, so you just turn on the gas and then you boom, let it go. It's not boom because it will not explode, relax. And then yeah, the handle is also very child friendly, so yeah, you can really teach your kids to cook in the outdoors and have a good time doing so. And I think we showed that yesterday, and yeah, Albert really enjoyed himself. And you kind of build a self-esteem with your kids as well when you let them try the things that looks a little bit advanced, but it's really not. It's just pretty straightforward. So this is a great way to start out and, you know, cook in the outdoors with your kids. So I highly recommend that. You got the pot with the lid. You see the little hole here. You can use the handle even if you got the lid on. Everything fits. Then you can, if you have like pasta water or whatever there, you can just pour it out like that. No worries. Little rubberized handle here, so you can lift it off. So yeah, guys, this was just a quick test, or 2-day test of the PrimeTech stove set, 1.3 liters. The plan, or the reason why I was interested in this stove set from the beginning, was because Albert is getting a little bit older now. He's gonna, whether he likes it or not, he's gonna come with me on adventures. And you know, I want to teach him how everything works, and I think this is a great stove set to start out with. And we might bring a little bit more people on as well. So if you more people, you might want to bring a little bit of a bigger stove. So I think this was going to be a great addition to the set that we already have. Of course, it's nice that you can combine it with other kits as well. This is just yeah, for coffee and boiling water, of course, but you can use a pan here as well if you want to do that. So I really like the versatility of the stove set as well. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can, as always. Yeah, that was it for this time, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe.